Windows 10 update brings another very useful feature to Microsoft users. Microsoft adds new screenshot feature, among others, to Windows 10 Insider Preview thanks to feedback from users. The Windows 10th of April update has arrived and already the Insider Preview is showing off new tools to play with, including, at last, a dedicated screenshot solution. Until now, taking a screenshot in Windows 10 was a challenge that required Screen Sketch, from behind the Windows Ink menu. The update means that Insider users will now have a dedicated screenshot app that allows for a quick shortcut summon with a Win plus Shift plus S button combination. The feature doesn't simply screenshot the entire display, it allows the user to take advantage of a snipping tool so that a certain area can be selected for the photographic treatment. Full screen and freeform selecting are also options within the Screen Sketch app. Another nice addition is the ability to replace the standard print screen function with this new Screen Sketch tool, for super quick access. For those with a Microsoft Pen, a simple click of the pen button will launch you right into the screen snipping mode. Finally, there will also be a screen snip button in the Action Center for access to the tool. This addition to the Windows 10 Insider Preview was made as a response by Microsoft to the requests made by its users. So if you have a concern or need, it could pay to feedback to Microsoft in the future. To try out the new feature yourself, you will need to opt in for the Windows 10 Insider program with Fast Ring and Skip Ahead status. Other new features in this Insider update include a more fluid acrylic design, meaning Task View has a softer background blur. Security presentation has changed so threats are shown to refine how your attention is broken, based on needs. Focus Assist turns on automatically now whenever full-scale gaming is started. Further settings consolidation means sound settings changes have changed. Now click on the links in sound settings and you'll find a new page where you can name your device and select your preferred spatial audio format. The new Windows 10th of April update has also brought lots of new features including an updated Edge browser, Cortana enhancements and more.